Hi there, guys and girls. Good morning. Is it good morning, good afternoon? Sorry. It's good afternoon. Um, how are you all doing? Have a good Friday, okay? This could be my. Let's eat. This could be my day 45. One day to go. Tomorrow will be my last day of not eating it. Like pork, chicken, beef. I only had fish for today. I cooked this last night, and when I checked this late morning, it smells something awful. So I tried to boil it again in coconut milk. It's already has a coconut milk last night, and still, I, I just rather take this off the fish, and this will be the one to eat. No, it still stays so good. mm. With that, you can do it, guys. You still have for today and tomorrow to make an abstinence and for you to have an indulgence with the Lord. I supposed to cook rice, but the coconut milk smells not so good. Nagbabadya na in Tagalog. But for now,